Mastering baking vocabulary. Fold in the flour, demystified. Hello and welcome, baking enthusiasts and English learners. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, fold in the flour. This term is a gem from the culinary world, and understanding it will not only enhance your baking skills but also enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get our baking aprons on and dive into the delightful world of baking terminology. The phrase, fold in the flour, refers to a gentle mixing technique used in baking. It's not just about stirring. It's a method to combine ingredients, like flour, into a batter without deflating the air bubbles that contribute to the lightness and fluffiness of baked goods. Imagine you're creating a delicate cake or a fluffy mousse. The goal is to maintain the airy texture by treating the batter tenderly. That's where folding comes into play. It's like giving your mixture a soft and loving hug, ensuring all the ingredients are harmoniously blended without losing that precious air. Folding in the flour is a ballet in the bowl. Start by adding your flour on top of the wet ingredients. Then, using a spatula or a large spoon, cut down through the mixture, sweep along the bottom of the bowl, and come up the side. As you bring the spatula up, you gently turn it over so that the flour on top is now at the bottom. This down across up and over motion is repeated while rotating the bowl slightly after each fold. Remember, this isn't a race. The key is to be gentle and patient. You're not just mixing. You're ensuring that your baked goods will be light, airy, and absolutely delectable. While folding in the flour might sound simple, a few common mistakes can deflate your culinary dreams. 1. Being too rough. If you stir too vigorously, you'll deflate the air bubbles. Treat your batter like a delicate flour. 2. Overmixing. Mix just until the flour is incorporated. Overmixing can lead to tough, dense baked goods. 3. Undermixing. While you want to be gentle, you also need to make sure the flour is fully incorporated, with no visible streaks or pockets. Congratulations! You've just expanded your baking vocabulary and technique repertoire. Fold in the flour is more than just a phrase. It's a gentle dance in the kitchen, a technique that can elevate your baking creations to new heights. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember to fold with love and patience. Happy baking, and we hope this video has been a delightful addition to your English learning journey.